mounting these wheels and tires on this car. We will be taking a plate, mounting it on here. It'll be 1/2 inch steel plate. It'll have this same bolt pattern into it, and then we'll have some round steel tube that will come out 12 inches with another plate on it that will mount to the back side of this wheel. So we're basically making our own wheel spacers that'll be 12 inches long, but one solid piece, and hopefully that'll kick the wheel and tire out just enough to where it won't hit the fender, and we should have some kind of little bit of a turning radius.
I want to come back home. You gave up on me. You kept my freedom. Oh, let me be your nightmare syndrome. Say that love is a feeling that you hate. I can't escape. You deserve it all, you deserve it all, baby. You deserve it all, you deserve. Come back home. You gave up on me. You kept my freedom. Oh, let me be your nightmare syndrome. Say that love is a feeling that you hate. I can't escape.
Do you guys think this is gonna work? All right, Hayden, go ahead and set it down. Oh, yes! Woo-hoo-hoo! This is freaking wild. What do you think right now, Hayden?
Feels pretty good.
Do you feel cool?
Yep.
You look pretty cool. Looks like you still got some good turning.
Oh yeah. Go to Moab now.
Yeah, take the girl to Moab maybe? The Honda Accord with the 24x16 wheels and tires, it's working. It's physically driving around and nothing has broke yet. Oh, that is so close. Ooh. Keep them, get them spinning. Full send, bud. Yeah. Yes. Let her rip, bud. Yeah! You guys. Yeah! Send it, boy! Yeah! Oh! Come on, Hayden. You gotta make it up the hill. Full sends only. Yo! Oh my.